Good morning and welcome to today's video. Right guys, today we're going to be doing a bit of probability actually, okay? So we're going to be looking at probability and what it means by like probability and like chances actually, okay? So we've got three examples here actually that we're going to take a look at. Okay, so example one says a coin is tossed. Okay, what are the possible outcomes? Okay, so the possible outcomes of a coin, okay, are literally a heads or tails. Okay, they're like two possible outcomes. You can either get a heads or a tails. Okay, so that's what I call them up. Okay, so essentially for this question, we've got a total, okay, of two possible outcomes. Okay, for this question. Okay, right, part B, what's the chance here of getting a head? So it's saying, what's the probability of getting a head? Tails, sorry. Okay, well, tails appears once, okay, out of two possible outcomes. So we got the chance of it's going to be one, okay, because it's one, so it's that or that, okay, so it's one out of the total combination, okay. That's how I work out my probability outcome. So it's the number of times, it occurs. It occurs divided by the total possible outcomes. Okay, so that's how I do that. Right, we've got three more examples to go through. Okay, so example 2, here is a spinner. What is the probability of getting a 3 on a spinner? There should be a question mark there, sorry. Okay, so we've got a 6, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so we've got a 6-sided spinner. So we've got 6 possible outcomes. Sorry, not 6 possible. Yeah, there are 6 possible outcomes. Yeah, sorry, yeah. So it's going to be out of 6, okay, because that's the total number of combinations, okay. Not combinations, sorry, possible outcomes, okay. Getting the 3, well, there's actually 1 3 on there, okay, so that'd be that. Okay, so it's 1 out of 6, okay. Which number is it most likely to spin on? It should be. Okay, well, if you look here, 2 appears twice, okay, so you're actually more likely to get a 2 than you are to get any other number because 2 appears the most on there. Okay, so that's how it works in that regard. Okay, so 2 is actually more likely, okay, we say, okay, because there's a 2 out of 6 chance of getting a 2, but there's a 1 out of 6 chance of getting a 1, 4, 3, and a 5, which means that 2/6 is obviously greater than 1/6. So that's how I know that it's more likely, because 1/3 by definition is bigger than 1/6. Okay, so that's how I do that one there. Okay, right, 2 more examples, guys. What's the probability of getting a heads or a tails? Okay, so we can get a heads here or a tails. Now what this is saying is I can get either, okay. Now the answer to this will actually be like 100% actually, because, so it's actually going to be 1, our answer, okay. Sorry if I can write that properly. Okay, so it's a 1, okay, or 100%. Okay, or if you want to write it as a fraction, yeah, 100 over 100, which actually gives you 1 actually, okay. The reason for this here is because, like, the question's asking me about getting a heads or a tails. Well, they're the only possible combinations, okay, because if I'm getting a heads or a tails, well, it will either land on a heads or it will land on a tails. So the key word here is or, okay, means that so I've got a half getting a heads plus a half, okay, for tails, which gives me an answer of 1, which is 2 over 2, which is going to be 1, okay. So that's why. If it said a heads and a tails, that would actually be 0 because it's impossible to get both. But it's saying a heads or a tails, so it's possible to have either one, okay, as your answer. Okay, so I hope that made sense, guys. Right, last one. Okay, what's the probability of it snowing in June in England? Okay, so obviously England's a country actually. Okay, so June obviously, so it's unlikely. Okay, so probability can also be answered in words. Okay, so I will look at the probability scale hopefully in the next video. Okay, so what it's saying here is, so like in June obviously in the UK actually, so if you're not like a UK like resident, you're watching this video, June, July and August normally, and September is actually quite like warm actually, so we class it as like summertime in the UK, so it's actually quite warm weather. So the chance of it snowing obviously at this time of year, okay, is actually very, very, very low, okay. in June is very, very low. Okay, so it's a very, very low chance of getting it. Okay, if it was a different time of year, if we were looking at January or February, so the month so we are in currently, okay, we are likely, because it is likely to get, because it is still classed as like winter time. Okay, yeah, in the UK actually, or in England. Okay, so we can also answer here like probably with Weathersley. So hopefully in our next lesson, I'll write down here actually. Next lesson we'll look at probability scale. Okay, and I'll do like a standalone video on that. Okay, on what it means by that. Okay, right guys, thank you for watching my video. Okay, and I hope you subscribe and like my videos and channel. Okay, thank you for watching, and I'll see you soon. Okay, my last point, guys. Okay, I keep mentioning before and before. Okay, remember that I'm still doing, okay, the free giveaway, okay, this month. Okay, if you want some, okay, as soon as possible. Okay, I've got lots of posts going out, okay, this weekend actually. So I'm doing a free giveaway from 27th of January. Okay, so it's already started. Okay, and I'm looking to do it until 1st of March. Okay, 2020. So if you're looking for free equipment, okay, maths books, anything, so Key Stage 2, Key Stage 3, Key Stage 4, and Key Stage 5 books, and also stationery, so pens, pencils, rubbers, rulers, highlighters, everything, okay, so like, all that actually, calculators, pocket calculators, scientific calculators, okay, then check out my previous video, okay, so check out, okay, previous video, okay, and all you have to do is just like, okay, the video that says conversion between fraction decimal percentage, I believe actually. I think it was written like that actually, but I think it's written as like how to convert. Okay, so that's the video. So all you have to do is like that and leave a comment. Okay. Okay, right guys, thank you for watching my video, and I will hope to put my next video on Sunday. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a great day. Okay, happy Thursday. Bye now.